Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone screen looks dark or dim and you prefer bright light interface, you can easily turn dark mode off. So in iPhone settings 2026, switching back to light mode is instant and affects the entire system. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn off dark mode on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, tap settings. So this is where appearance settings are managed. Scroll down and tap display and brightness. Okay, this section controls themes and brightness. Okay, so at the top under appearance, choose light. Okay, so dark mode turns off immediately. Okay, so now once light mode is selected, system UI becomes bright, app switch to light, theme, status bar and menus change instantly. New receipt required. Okay, so if dark mode keeps coming back, under appearance turn off automatic. Okay, this prevents scheduled switching. Okay, so if the screen still looks warm or yellow, go to settings, go to display and brightness and tap night mode. Okay, so or night shift. So turn night shift off if you want a pure white display. Okay, you can use control center to toggle appearance option, so this is optional. You can also change appearance quickly, like swipe down to open control center, long press brightness, tap dark mode to turn it off or to turn it on. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.